Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a $5,000 grant for you guys. This grant just opened August 22nd of 2022. So we are one of the first to find out about this grant. So I want to make sure you guys, get the 411 about this grant and how to apply. So we have the Coalition to Black Businesses, and this grant is providing immediate financial assistance and long-term support for Americans' Black-owned small businesses. They just opened. So from now until September 6th, so we have a bit of time to apply for this grant. They're taking applications for the third cohort of $5,000 grants. So it's pretty simple. I like how they have what you need to do in order to get awarded the grant. So first, you will need to check your eligibility to make sure your business is eligible. And then from there, you want to express the interest from August 22nd through September 6th and express interest in receiving a grant by completing the streamlined application below. And then if eligible for the grant, randomly selected finalists and those on a wait list will be asked to complete a full grant application sometime in late September. And then your grant application will be under review from late September to mid-October. And then in mid-October, grantees will be notified with the instructions on how to join Eureka's coaching platform and receive their $5,000 grant. So let's just check what you need to do to be eligible for this grant. So eligible businesses must meet the criteria for being a Black-owned business enterprise in a qualifying industry, and you must employ between 3 and 20 people, including the owner and any full-time employees, part-time employees, or individuals working under a 1099 or similar contractual agreement. You must be located in an economically vulnerable community, and you must have been harmed financially by the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so the application looks pretty straightforward. It just tells you to enter your business name. It tells you actually for your business zip code, your business owner email, your first name, last name, phone number. Do you accept text? Your business owner gender identity, business industry. How many employees do you have, including yourself? Is your business affiliated with one of the national partners that they are associated with? What stage are you in your business? So, existence. We are just starting to serve customers. Survival, success, takeoff. Is your business as a supplier or vendor currently in the supply chain of another business? So you would make sure you tell them that. Have you applied for other sources of funding? So make sure you let them know if you received any other funding. Do you have an e-commerce or online store? And you just press submit. So that's pretty straightforward. Actually, that's a really nice application. So even though this is a $5,000 grant, the grants are unrestricted. So you can use your grant as long as it applied towards your business expenses. And following each round of grants, grantees will have the option to compete for the $25,000 enhancement grant based on additional criteria as outlined below. So what are the enhancement grants? It's the Coalition to Black businesses that are dedicated to supporting the long-term success of Black-owned businesses in the communities that they serve. That's why a select group of grantees will be eligible for $25 enhancements grants to help take their business to the next level. So who can receive these grants? Each successful grantee, which is a finalist who accepts the $5,000 grant, will be eligible to compete for one of their $25,000 enhancement grants in the summer following the receipt of their $5,000 grant. Grantees must opt in to be considered, and a panel of judges from the national partner will evaluate the businesses based on the following criteria: the quality of responses provided in the finalist grant application, the additional information from the post-grant survey, supporting recommendations from mentors, and the long-term viability of the business. So that's great. You can get up to $30,000 with this grant. So if you are not selected, you can reapply. Businesses that have not been selected to receive a grant can submit an application in the following years. And that's about it. So this grant is pretty straightforward. I will leave the link down below on how to apply for the Coalition to Back Black Businesses. This is sponsored by American Express as well. I did see American Express logo on here. They're sponsored by Shopify. They're sponsored by National Black Chamber of Commerce, National Business League, Firefly, and Cummings, and Stanley Black & Decker. So this is pretty cool. So I will leave the link down below to how to apply for this grant. And if you have any questions or if you're thinking about applying, then drop it down below in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck. Bye.